What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in my office right now, or I'm going to try to turn this into like a recording studio. So it's nice to have an area where I can record without having all type of noises in the background, wind, kids running around, neighbor and stuff like that. So this might be an area I'm going to start a lot of my recording pretty soon. But today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this product. So this is the FitCamX dash cam that's really well fitted to the third gen Tacoma, the dash on there. So it fit really well into the OEM dash, and it does record in full K, as you can see. And I did get an accident on this cam when I got it. So FitCamX, they sent this out to me to put on the Tacoma, and for the past 2-3 months I have this on the Tacoma. So before we get started into the honest review of this dash cam, let's go into the unboxing and install video right now. Alright guys, so this is how your FitCamX dash cam, the actually 4K Ultra HD, will come into the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, just a cover. Okay. And I'm assuming this is it goes towards the dash. Yes, it is. Okay. So it is a quick plug and play system. You plug into your existing wire on the dash, and this look like it's the camera. I'll take it off once I'll install it. As you can see, on and off camera system. Okay, let's see what else. All right, they give you a mechanism to open, to pry your dash wire up there, and then obviously all the dash, the plug and play systems here. I know there's a micro USB card adapter that goes into, and you put your micro SD card in here and all your footage will be saved. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, user manual. I'm assuming just instruction on how to install it, but it should be somewhat pretty easy. So yeah guys, that's it. That's pretty much what's all in your kit right here. Looks pretty good. All right, let's go inside and see if we can get this thing installed. All right guys, to help you get to this, just move the rear view mirror back a little bit, give you a little bit of room to work with, but should be pretty easy. All you do is just pull this tab down. There it is, and this whole thing comes out, so it just slide up like that. So you want to give it a little force and pull down, and these small little tabs should come loose, these tabs, and then that will give you access to the electronics that's behind here. So yeah, let's get our system out and get it up to install here. Okay, this should come into this. You want to move this, toss that, and this is what you want to work with right here. So it is a plug and play. So what you want to do is want to remove this button right here, this connector, and then it goes in here, and then this one goes back into that. So okay, let's get this connected. It's pretty easy. Just push this tab out and it should come out. So let's see, it should go like this. There it is. And this one. And that's all it is. Pretty easy. And that would give power to this guy right here, which is the main camera that we're going to be using. So it should goes into this like this, and yeah, it should all go back, give it power. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. I think the hardest part is trying to put all this back, all this wiring, but just play around with it a little bit. You should be able to get the wire all in here. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit, make sure that there's no wire that is being pinched, to make sure that there's enough room in all this to put it in. And then we'll put this back onto that right now. That looks pretty good. Let me get a close-up shot of it. Okay, so that's how it should. Let me get the adjustment right there. Okay, so that's how it should sit. Snug in there. And there's a micro USB card. I didn't realize it's already in here. So let's turn this on and see if we can get this system up and going, guys. But yeah, that's how it should look with the camera right there. I'm gonna peel that back later. But yep, that's how the camera should look. All right, started the camera up. Should be indicating right there. All right, guys, so next thing you want to go do, go through, I already connected. I have to troubleshoot a few stuff, but what happened was that I couldn't find the Wi-Fi. So sometimes the Wi-Fi is CAR, sometimes LHD, sometimes it's this. So find that, and obviously the password is right there. And then you should be able to connect with the app. Now this is once you go into the app, it should look like this. And then you just do access camera. And there it is. It's recording right now. So that's pretty much how you connect it to the app. Pretty easy. I had to turn off the cell data so it connects, but it shouldn't be an issue. So this is how it is. So let's see how the quality of recording on this camera is, guys. Alright guys, so next step you want to do is just go into your app here, whether that's the FitCamX app or this app, and it's gonna look like this. So I'll get into what it is later, but this is your camera setting here. So just go to camera setting. Right now I have sound recording off, but obviously you can turn on and off here. Resolution, this is where you can go from 1080p to 4K 30 FPS frame per second. And then you can change even the Wi-Fi name and all that good stuff, the SD card formatting, exposure and composition when it comes to the video quality. So it's all in here. But let's get back to the main page here. So from here, I know it's off right now, so I have to go into my cell and turn it off, and that's able to connect with your app, and it should go on right there. There it is. So that's how it works. And what's cool about this is you can turn that way if you want to see it, but you know, it's recording, you don't really need to do that. So let me go back on it. So it's recording right here, and then you can stop recording or take picture, and that's the where you download all the profile, or just get the SD card out and then connect it to your computer immediately. So yeah, let's see the quality of when I'm driving real quick. Okay, so this is normal exposure 0 at 4K 30 FPS right now. I think this looks really good, but let's go into +2 or -2 exposure and see how it is in 4K. So this is +2 exposure in 4K. It's really blown out. So the quality obviously meant for darker condition, but yeah, still shooting in 4K, guys. So this is recording -2 exposure at 4K 30 FPS. As you can see, it's pretty dark. So I definitely like the 0 exposure setting, the natural setting that they have it on. But let's try 1080p, see how it is. So this is 1080p, 30 FPS at 0 exposure. So I can already see the dramatic difference between the quality of the 1080p and 4K. So let's play with the exposure of the 1080p, see how it looks. Okay, so this is +2 exposure at 1080p. Definitely overblown like earlier as well. Yeah, this is really overblown, especially right now. It's sunny right now, so let's go to -2 at 1080p, see how that looks. Okay, this is -2 at 1080p exposure. Yeah, it's really dark like the 4K as well, so dramatic difference between the 4K and 1080p. I might just have to put it in 4K. It might take up a lot more space, but maybe I'll get a bigger SD card or something like that. But this is 1080p, so it's nice you have the option of shooting 1080p or 4K or even 2.7K, I believe. So give you a little bit more options to choose from. Obviously, I don't know the footage, the quality until I get home, but this is what I see on the road right now.
Like $900 for a session that takes her like 10 hours, you know, because she has to do all this work to figure out how it's all problem solving, you know, and like,
whoa,
oh my god,
oh, hit a Tesla.
Damn,
oh,
that sucks.
Oh, you guys probably saw that on the dash cam. Oh my gosh,
that's a bummer. How could you not see? You were going. Like,
oh,
Lord. Oh, they scratched it pretty bad.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what's my honest review on this dash cam by FitCamX for the Tacoma? I really like this dash cam. As you can see from the footage, at 4K, the quality is really good for a dash cam. So I recommend if you were to put this on your truck, just put it in 4K. It's much easier. And I also recommend just getting a new SD card, maybe a 128 gigabyte, so that you can have a lot more storage capability when it comes to the footage. But for the 64 gigabyte that they do send to you, I get about 2 days worth of footage if I was to drive a lot, regular driving. So it does get renewed every about 2 days. And then if you have a 64 gigabyte, obviously, if you have a 128, then it's a little bit longer. But yeah, I recommend just putting 4K, and then it's just much better quality. But I just really like the way it looks. It integrates into the dash really well, so you don't even realize that they have a dash cam on there. All the other one that I was looking to getting and have obviously a camera just like looking, so you know that somebody can see that. But with this one, it integrated into the system for the Tacoma, so you don't even see the dash cam. But yeah, the quality image at night, during the day is really good. So yeah, nothing bad to say about this dash cam. So FitCamX just sent me a link, a code, I guess, for you guys. So you guys want to save some money on their product. I'll put all the description to their website, social media, all that stuff in the description. So you guys want to get one for yourself, I highly recommend getting this one. So other than that, yeah, nothing but good stuff to say about this dash cam, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this product review on this FitCamX and installation. How to install it. Super easy installation. Took me about 20 minutes or something like that, setting it up and everything. So yeah, you guys want to get a dash cam for the Tacoma to record all the adventure, off-roading, and even like accident, just in case, save your butt, I guess. This one is what I recommend. All right, guys. Well, hope you guys like that review video and install video. And yeah, if you guys like this kind of stuff for the Tacoma, please consider subscribing. And then I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care. Bye.